Hello Storm friends, welcome to the Haven. I'm Mussetta Lee Storm, but you can call me Muse. And today I am going to show you how I make crock-pot baked beans. The beans I will be using are Great Northern beans, but you can choose to use navy beans or any other white bean of your choice, and you will need 1 pound of those. I will be soaking my beans overnight, but if you choose not to soak them overnight, the boiling part of the recipe will take longer for you. Once you have soaked the beans overnight, you're going to drain the water out of them and place them into a large pot with a ½ teaspoon of salt and then cover them with water. After that, you're going to boil them until they are fork tender. Once the beans are fork tender, we're going to drain off the water again and then place them into our crock pot and begin on our seasoning mixture. For our seasoning mixture, we're going to mix together a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of molasses, a ½ cup of ketchup or barbecue sauce of your choice, 1 teaspoon dry mustard, 1 teaspoon salt, a ½ teaspoon of black pepper, a ½ teaspoon of paprika. I'm using smoky paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder. We are also going to add 2 cups of water to the mix and then mix it all together thoroughly to make sure everything's nice and dissolved and incorporated. Then we're going to pour that over our beans in our crock pot. Now, my crock pot has 3 settings: off, low, and high. So low and high are the 2 options for cooking. I cook my beans at low for 8 hours or at high for about 4. You may have to adjust that if your crock pot is based off of temperatures. And that is how I make crock-pot baked beans. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.